Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping. Just a quick tutorial video here on sharpening factory blades I just received in the mail. Did a previous video about this and got some interesting comments. As you can tell from the edge of this blade, let the camera focus here, that is not sharp. There you go. You can see it a little better there. Look how round the edge is. Definitely not up to par for the properties that I cut. So we'll take a little piece of paper here real quick. Look at this. Okay, got lucky on that, but look at it. Look at the other marks. It's not even cutting it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I do with brand new blades. I just got these in the mail for my Exmark 60-inch standard. So what I use is a DeWalt 20-volt angle grinder, 4.5-inch disc, 120 git flap. So you can use just about any angle grinder. I've got a couple of them from Harbor Freight that I've had for like 9 years and they still work just as good. The main thing about sharpening the blades, guys, is try not to deviate this angle. Keep this angle right here. Don't deviate back here. Don't cut too far on the bottom. And another thing, let me walk away real quick. I'll be right back. Is one of these blade balancer. Now a lot of you think, oh, why you don't need to balance your blades. Oh yeah, you do. You really do. It helps with the spindles, keeps them even pressure on the bearings inside the spindles. Your blade's out of balance, your deck's gonna shake. It's, you know, your blade's gonna wobble up and down, so you're not gonna get a clean flat cut. So my preference is definitely use, I think it was like $3 at Ace Hardware, I think. So, and I've never had to replace a bearing or a spindle on any zero turn that I've ever had by doing this option right here. And I've been doing this for a long time, guys. So my personal preference, you don't have to do it. So let's get started here. Got our gloves on, no metal flakes, safety glasses. Pull the sticker back a little bit here. And here we go. Alright guys, just a few passes there. As you can tell, I did not deviate from this angle. I kept it right to the edge of it. So that's just a few passes on here. So don't need to be seeing my address on there. So here we go, guys. Well, it ripped down there, but as you can tell, that is a very clean cut. Let's try it again. Okay. If I hit it a few more times, it's going to be razor sharp. Some of you didn't, oh, I don't need razor sharp grass or blades to cut the grass. My personal preference, guys. You can do as you wish, but I've never had to replace any spindles, bearings with that balancer. Obviously I'm not going to balance it yet because I haven't done this side. So let's go ahead and set this up. We'll do this other side real quick. Okay, blade balancer. Get it on the lips there. And that right there, guys, is a balanced blade. So anyway, guys, just my short little tutorial video here. You can follow my way, or hey, you can use your own personal preference, guys. But anyway, if you can, like, subscribe, share the page, and look forward to the next video for you guys. Be safe out there. Peace.